Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies. This is for your daily energy, Sagittarius. I'll be picking one card each for your career. This is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys, and one card from the Rumi guidance deck. So this is oracle guidance, guys. So whatever thoughts we have or some confusions or doubts, it may help us to clear us on that, guys. So for your daily energy, Sagittarius, it's 5 of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card here, maybe for some of y'all in your relationship or in your work situation, you may be having some kind of stressful situations, troubles, maybe some quarrels or some misunderstandings may be there, guys. Maybe with your family, friends, or with your person. That is what I see here. What is the card for your career? It's Knight of Swords. So with this card here, in your career situation, you have that confidence and strength, that determination to do things just like you have planned for. You have that skill, that ability to reach that success in your work. So you are working with confidence. You are going against all that obstacles, whatever is coming your way, and you are able to clear all that and reach that success. You have that confidence, guys. That is what I see here. And you are a person of certain beliefs, so you stand up for your beliefs and ideals. Maybe in your work situation, the way you need to go about in your work, you have a particular way of doing things, so you follow that strictly, and you want the people who work with you, your team or your colleagues, to follow that. So that's what I see here. And what is the card for your relationship, Sagittarius? It's 3 of Swords. Maybe in your relationship, guys, things are not going so well. Though you may have this affection to each other, you may feel that you cannot trust this person. There may be somebody else. This person may be involved in, or they may be focused on someone, guys, other than you, or they may love somebody else, but they may they have not decided properly with whom they want to be, whether with you or that person. So they are talking to you, talking to that other person also, or this may be your energy, this may be what your person feels about you. You may be interested in 2 people and you have a connection with 2 people. That may also be the energy here. So that clear communication, that understanding and deep connection is not there in this relationship. That is what I see here with this card, Sagittarius. Let's see what is the oracle's guidance. So this card will answer any questions or thoughts, deep thoughts that we have in our life, guys. It may or may not relate to our situation. So you just have to go for that guidance, so it will help to make our day a better one, guys. So let's see what is the card. We will think of that question, Sagittarius, and we will turn the card now. So for you all, it is Al Uzza, star of Venus. The oracle's guidance for your Sagittarius is that each and every one of us are walking on a particular path, guys. So all our paths are unique. We do not have to understand or justify the path and of ours or others. So each of us have a unique path, so it will not be the same. So you just have to uh, trust in your path, trust in your evolution, go in the way how things are unfolding for you, and you do not have to convince others or make them believe in you. Maybe people around you, um, they may react with fear or some kind of discomfort. So trust in yourself, have trust in yourself. Your life is unique the same way their life is unique to them. So we are on our own paths, each and every one of us. So you need to embrace this wisdom, guys. Embrace this freedom and feel that power moving through you. This is a blessing, guys. So we need to understand that whatever is our life, whatever that is happening to us, is different from whatever is happening to the other person, because each and every one of us, we are on a particular stage of that spiritual evolution happening to each and every one of us. Each and every one of us have a different personal growth, guys. So that is the reason each and every one of our paths is different. So in our evolution, we will travel on our path of life. So you don't have to convince others about your life, make them believe in you. You just have to walk your path with that confidence and strength, and be have the trust that this is a blessing, guys. That is the reason you are in the situation right now, and that is the reading for you, guys. This is a what to say, the guidance. So you don't have to fear that people may think of you in a particular way, or people may feel uncomfortable with you. So you have to just trust how things are unfolding for you and go with that. Give up that resistance and be happy for how things are unfolding. That is the reading for you all today, guys, and that is the guidance message for your Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.